Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you guys are here. Today we've got kind of an interesting unboxing sent to me from White Mountain Knives to check out, to do an unboxing, to share with you guys, to check it out for a little while and then give you a little bit more information about it. And I requested this little knife because it looked interesting. Before I get started, I do want to say thank you to the channel members. And thank you for anybody who comes in to watch my knife, my EDC content. I appreciate you. If you're so inclined and you hadn't had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It really helps me out. So what we are going to do is get my little Amazon Balisong unboxing knife. Cut these two back straps, or back little bits of tape. And let's take a look at this. See what we got. So guys, this is the CJRB chip. So the chip, they have two different versions. They have a chip and I forget what the other one's called, but it's got a different blade shape. So you've got this little leather slip, for lack of a better term, sheath. And then look at this little guy. This little dagger, double-sided, very sharp, G10 handle. Guys, that is very, very cool. AARPM 9. This is J1940. See if that'll focus on that. It is the chip J1940 BWH, black AR-RRPM 9 blade, white G10 handles. And guys, what a cool little knife that you could carry. Like in my left pocket right now, I'm carrying a slip joint. But this knife you could easily carry in a pocket, or you could put it on your pack. Let's see how sharp it is. Got that coated blade. Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. One side sharp. Back side sharp. Very slicey. Very pokey. So guys, I would say this would be a great knife for a little EDC package opener. These are very inexpensive. I don't know the price. I will put, again, this came from White Mountain Knives. I'll put a link to this particular one if it's in stock. And I'll also put a price to what the list price is. But keep in mind, you can use G10 on this knife or anything from White Mountain Knives, except for Hinderers, Jack Wolfs, things that don't allow discounts. But you can save 10%. So if you don't like this little loopy lanyard thing here, that's very easy to take off. You could put your own lanyard on there if you wanted to. Again, you probably wouldn't be able to get it out of this slip very easily without some type of lanyard. But if you're not big into lanyards, it definitely comes off very easily. It's just a little loop knot, like so. But you can put a snake knot on there. You could put a little shorter one on there just to give you enough for a couple of fingers here, a stiffer lanyard. But guys, you've got enough flare in this handle. It's full tang, but I think you've got enough. If I wasn't setting it back, I would stab the box. Let me find. I mean, your hand's not going anywhere. Just a very handy, neat little blade. This is the CJRB Chirp. Let's see what this thing weighs in at. Again, this is not a review, just an unboxing. Let's see what we'll do first. Give you an idea of some scale. This is the Baby Banter. There goes Tip. Sorry about that, guys. That's a regular size Sharpie. That is a Chickadee. And this little guy is an MKM Micro 2. So you can tell it is a little guy. But that's kind of why I wanted to check it out. Thought it looked really cool. I wanted to bring it to you guys to see what it was all about. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be, yet it's more grippable. And again, for opening packages, for cutting down cardboard, no, you don't want it for that. But just to have it close by, should you need something in your hand besides just your hand, that is definitely a sharp, stabby little guy. So let's might as well go ahead and get you a dimension on it. The whole knife is 3 inches long. So 3 inches overall. You could call that an 1.25 inch blade, 1.25 inch cutting area on each side. And it's going to weigh in very light, 0.55 ounces. Its carry weight, 0.95 ounces. So guys, that to me is a very unique, cool little package. A functional novelty, functional cool knife. And again, I forget what the other blade style is, and I might have made that up. But this is a nice enough done slip. It's good thick leather. I don't think you're going to have any poke through on that. The knife goes in and out of it well. The little chip, is that what we decided it was called? Yeah, the chip. Comes in a lot of different finishes, guys. Again, very economical. You can use the code G10. You can save another 10%. Check it out if it's something that's up your alley. But yeah, I wanted to bring it to you guys. I will hang on to it, check that out, and give you some more information if there's any more information to give on it, or give you an update if I go to stab a Slurpee stealer and cut my hand. But guys, I definitely appreciate y'all taking a chance, watching the video, checking out the unboxing, checking out all the content that you do. All I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart and choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.